Our project of light sensitive switches for an LED. So we are using a photocell to create a potentiometer. Depending on the resistance of the photocell, which increases or decreasing depending on the light that falls on the photocell. So depending on the resistance of the photocell, the potential at this point, the LED would be decided. So if the resistance is high, just like in this case, which is during the night time, the potential across the photocell would be high, thus creating higher potential at this point, which is going to be enough for the LED to glow up. This here is a op amp which is used as a buffer. So we can check at this point. It is around 3.3, which is enough for the LED to glow. Then if we change the resistance, which is during the daytime, we will see that you will see that now if we run it and check the potential across this point, it is less and it is not enough for the LED to glow, hence it is a light sensitive switch. I'm going to use this similar circuit to create the other part of our project, which is movable solar panels. Project for movable solar panels, we have four light sensors at four corners of the solar panel. The opposite solar light sensors are connected to a motor this way. The potential drop across the photocell inside the light sensor uh, is connected to the poles of this motor. Thus thus when the light falls, different amounts of light falls on these light sensors, it causes a potential difference on the poles of this motor, thus making the motor turn to a certain direction, thus making the solar panel face the sun. This is done in two different directions. It could these directions are supposed to be perpendicular to each other. This could be east to west and north to south, the light sensors. So we have found that if we just use east to west light sensors, we may not use the north to south light sensors, because this way we are going to reduce the resources, and also because we know we don't need the north to south light sensors that much, because sun doesn't move in the direction north to south direction that much. We physically can use our abilities to move the solar panel when it's needed.